All right. Happy Sunday, everybody. Just got back from Starbucks. I thought I'd make a little video. I've had a lot of questions this week on some suggestions for some better risk reward trades. So here's a little trade I like to do. Uh, this might be more what you guys are looking for. We're using a 21.7 Ninja, and we're using a 50 EMA. See right here, 50 EMA. And the way this trade works is you go for two candles, which is 14, and you just do a one candle stop. So you can do a 20, or you can even, you can even do a 30, but I'd stick with about a 20 or 21, or you can do about a 25 maybe. 25 stop and a 14 take profit. You can probably do all right. But the way this works is the way I've done this before, and I have pretty good success with it, is I take a bounce of the moving average for two candles, and I take a break of the moving average for two candles. Also, I'll play one and two candle uh, continuations. So if I get like here, you got two candle continuation, then down. You got a two candle continuation, then down. Two candle continuation, then down. I'll play these for about two candles a trade. They give you 14 ticks. You see, here's a one candle. I usually will leave out these because we're first of all we're bouncing off your volume profile, a heavy volume area here. I found that if you try to trade more than one or two bar pullbacks, it can sometimes be the market reversing on you. So I try to stick with just one candle and two candle pullbacks. See, like here's a three candle pullback, but we're kind of petering out. However, we're also hitting a support zone here. So let's just go back to 9:30. We'll take trades for one day. I'll show you. So, and this is the ES. Oops. There we go, 9:30. Where are we at? 9:30 right here. We broke the moving average, two candles. There's a trade. Broke the moving average, two candles. There's a trade. Bounced off the moving average, two candles. There's a trade. Broke the moving average, two candles. There's a trade. Bounced off the moving average, two candles. There's a trade. Bounced off the moving average, two candle trade. Two candle pullback, two candle pullback. Well, you're at the end of the day. Evening, one candle pullback, two trades. Two candle pullback, two bar trade. Two candle pullback, you have two candle trade. Two candle trade. Starting to peter out here. You're not really going to take these trades anyways because you're bouncing off the support zone. Remember, our rule from the very beginning of this class is we don't trade in the lines. But here we bounce. We got plenty of room for two candles before we hit this zone here. And when you trade like this, you don't really need any oscillators, anything. You're just trading purely basically price action momentum. You don't have enough momentum to break through that moving average. So that tells you that the downward momentum is still holding. You don't have enough to break that, still good for two candles. You don't have enough to break that, still two. See, it's trying. Now you see, we're starting to break that moving average. We broke a little more here. Bam, we had enough momentum to break through. You could take a trade on this candle right here. You got two candles before you hit that support zone. You got a bounce of that moving average. I would take a trade right here once we broke through this support zone, 2 candles. You got a 2 candle pullback, 2 candles. Got a nice 3 candle pullback, but you're bouncing off the support zone. Enter trade. We bounced off this moving average, enter trade, 2 candles. Here, we haven't cleared this moving average. You're not taking trades while you're still touching the moving average. You're taking trades outside of the moving average on each side. So here, we couldn't break through. Now we broke through here. Take a candle here. There's your 14 ticks. Bounced off this moving average again. We cleared it here, 14 ticks. This is the ES. Let's go look. Well, I'll do another video of the NQ. Bounced off this support zone. Well, it's the end of the day, but you get the picture. These trades are gonna take a little bit longer because it's ES. ES moves a lot slower. So you took this trade right here. You did a pullback here. This is 1026. This trade ended at 1020. Well, it was only a 2-minute trade, so that's not too bad. Then you got to wait. We're not going to take another trade until 3 o'clock here. Oh, well, you can take this trade. Yeah, at 3:53, you got another trade. So you're not going to be getting a whole bunch of trades in a day if you do the ES, but they're pretty solid trades. You see, as long as you don't trade in any lines, we didn't have a losing trade all day. So I hope that helps you guys. I'll do a video here shortly on the NQ. I have to get the chart set up.